the other thing that we could do, right, is that we could be working with actual data, right? So this could be maybe a constant of courses, could be an array of objects that is listed over here that has this data. It could be have a title, right? Course 1. And let's just create this as an example real quick. Okay, so course 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And instead of having to write this as a static piece of content, right? I could use one of these as a template. I could use as a template, right? And just iterate over that array of courses, right? So let's leave those there. Let's leave those there. Let's just show you how we can iterate. Right? What we could iterate is that we could use the following notation. So notice that what curly brackets does. Curly brackets allows us to do what? It says this is an expression. This is a JavaScript expression, and whatever that expression evaluates to, that's what's rendered in the DOM. Yes? Right now, that expression is trivial. It's just a string. But I could put anything in there, right? Anything that evaluates to, some string, some DOM element. Here, the expression is just evaluated to something trivial like a string or a number, right? But it could be something much more complex. So let's show you how complex. Notice that expression here, there it is. I could render something there, an expression. So it's going to be a fairly complex expression. So I'm giving myself enough space. All right. All right. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to take this array. I'm going to iterate over that array. Right? So as I iterate over that array, I'm going to generate one of these for every element in the array. Make sense? Right? So to do that, I can say, grab the courses, there it is. I'm going to map through them. So what does map do? Map iterates over a collection. And as it iterates, whatever you return from inside the map, right? It's concatenated with the previous, so it's accumulating. It's an accumulator. Make sense, right? And the syntax is as follows: it's a function. It takes each instance as it's iterating over the array, and so for each course, what do we want to do? We want to return one of these. Yes, right. So let's see what that looks like. All right, notice that we have a whole bunch of 5200s now. So we iterated over I don't know how many courses, right? And we are displaying, 5, 6, 5200s. Everybody make sense? Everybody good? So that's what the map does, right? The map is iterating, and then it's concatenating whatever you return, right? We could here, right? One thing that we could do here is instead of this being a string, we could refer to this course object right here, this course.title. See that? And come back and notice that we have now course 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is the title that were in the object, in the array of objects. Yes, right? Same thing. This hard-coded 12. Now let me move this down here so that we can have it up here. There we go. We can do the same thing with the seats. Right. So the seats here. So we can have seats. Right. 1, 2, 3. It's a big course. Wow. And so here we can render, instead of just seats, we can say course.seats. So now it renders the 1, 2, 3 all the way to 5, 6, 7. Everybody good? Right?